Saint Laurent 623001 optical glasses from the Fall-Winter August 2023 collection represent the perfect balance between classic design and contemporary elegance. Crafted from high-quality acetate, they offer lightweight, durability, they are built to last. The softened rectangular shape with slightly accentuated upper edges creates a modern and confident shape, ideal for everyday or professional wear. They assure a long-lasting comfort and a perfect fit for various face shapes. A piece made from those who appreciate refined style and timeless quality. Available now at JP Ótica online store with 15% off on your first purchase. The link for this product is pinned in the comments. Fast and secure delivery, but the stock is limited. So don't wait to get this classic piece that never goes out of style.